You, Lord.
Thank you, Lord, for giving me eyes to see, ears to hear, nose to smell, and a mouth to speak, and a heart that beats for you.
Thank you, Lord.
Hello everyone, you are welcome to today's learning video where we are still looking at different games which young children can play during their free time. As they are playing, they learn something. We had some games. Today we are having a game known as a ladder game. This ladder game can be played by children of different age. Like as you can see, I have it in different kinds. Here I have the one for top class, which we used last time when we were playing. It is from 1 up to 25. The other one is for baby class. It's from 1 up to 15. Here is the one for middle class, which I'm going to use to show you how to make it. All what you need to have a sack, your ruler, the marker, and something which can help you to draw the shapes. This is which I use to draw these circles, but this one you need to have a square. First of all, you need to think which age are you going to make the game for before you come to start. I thought of middle class and I drew my numbers from 1 to 20, where I have 4 by 5 to make 20. Now, the next step, after having your numbers like these ones, is to put on the ladders. Which ladders? I want us to put them together. But before we put the ladders, ask yourself, remember when we are playing, we said this one for top class has 2 arrows, the green one and the red one. We said the green one allows someone to go up and the red one drops someone down. When you look at this one for baby class, for it has only 1 arrow, which tells someone to go up only. Why is it like that? Their concentration is not all that much, and they are not patient enough so that they can wait to go back and come up, go back and come up. That's why we gave them going up only. Now, let's look at middle class. You may ask yourself, how can you decide to put the ladder? Ladders depend on what you want. So if someone tosses a dice and gets 1, someone may not be happy. then you give that an advantage of running from 1 up to 10. The arrow to show someone to move up. Then, if someone has got maybe 5, to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continues and gets a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continues to play, gets a 2. 1, 2. You may think that, oh, from 13, let someone come down. Remember we said, when someone gets the big number on this, he or she has to come down. But when the number is small and there is an arrow and a ladder, he or she has to go up. But here, from 1, it's an advantage to come to 10. Then when someone gets to 13, it's a disadvantage, she has to come down. Let's think of another ladder to give. Let's say someone from 9 can come to 15, or someone from 11 can come to 15. Also give a ladder. Then from 17, we can also have a ladder which tells someone to come down. Now we want to give them the order, the next step. From 1, we come to this direction. Now, this is the direction that from 4 we come to 5. Come to 8, go up to 12. From this direction we go this side, and from this side come to this end. As someone comes to 20, he or she has to look for only 1 to come to the sun, or to the moon, or to anything that you feel like putting. Like as you see, here we have the sun, and here we have an apple. Think of something to put here where children are aiming to come to. Maybe you can have here an airplane or a car, such that a child is aiming to come to this place. Think of other ladders to give. We have this one coming from 1 to 10, another one from 11 to 15. This one is bringing us back here, and this one is bringing someone here. Then I need to have another ladder. If I get 1, I may be told to come back to 14. Think of that condition. Think about that condition. If you are about to get to the airplane and someone tells you to come back to 14, parents, just do think about that. What are we teaching to our children on this game? For me, I'm going to think of an airplane, to put it here. Someone may aim at coming to the plane. That is my plane. You know, everyone wants to go to the plane. He or she becomes happy when he is entering the plane. I was asking, what do we teach to our children? We teach our children concentration, eye-hand coordination, friendship formation, numeracy or counting, identification of numbers, following order of the numbers, and taking turns. I think we've got something to teach to our children. I wish you well as you practice such activities in your homes. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. May God bless you. Bye-bye.